Hi, Neil. Great to see you. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Neil, when we look at food safety systems and the way in which the industry appears to be adapting to embrace smarter solutions, share with me a bit of your insights into that and how you see it making food safety programs more robust or could make them more robust and future-proof.
Okay, nice to see you again, Mark. Yeah, there's many things that are being developed now and underway. I think some of them are more mature than others, particularly in the technology space. The basic one, the first one that's probably leading, is to developing the food safety management system as an electronic tool to remove paperwork, simplify processes, and digitize things together. So that's like a bit of a productivity enhancement, and also to simplify systems and make that data more accessible and usable. Another point is around AI, which I think we've already discussed and many people have talked about. No one has the perfect solution yet, and everyone's learning how to adopt and use that, particularly in food manufacturing. But there's a massive opportunity there to improve your systems, simplify processes, and automate more and more processes, making the connectivity even better. IoT is another example, Internet of Things, of course, connecting those things together and automating. And I think the other one that's easier for most people to adopt in the short term is, some of these things can be seen as this is a longer term solution, or it's for the big companies that got all the money. But another opportunity is around horizon scanning. There's many tools and companies now that have got solutions out there that I used to use a lot, and particularly for looking around corners for issues. So trying to prevent a crisis, trying to prevent a recall. What's the best tool to use? What insights can that give you to say there's a potential recall on an item, there's an issue with a supplier in a certain market or a certain country, it's been held at a border inspection. Those kind of insights from technology stop or help companies to also automate that process. So you're not looking for the data and you're having somebody searching the internet every day. It's fed to your inbox, you get dashboards, you can get reports and information to help you make better decisions. This can help you to identify problems with suppliers and minimize recalls and problems that you may have in the food manufacturing business. I think the other challenges are also around sustainability of data and information, because technology keeps advancing quicker and people aren't necessarily keeping up with it. And there's a whole knowledge gap as well, and resource constraints that people are suffering with. So as people are getting squeezed more and more on budgets, they need to use technology to help them do more with less.
Yeah, Neil, that's fantastic. And I think just listening to what you were saying there, it took me back to early in my career when one of the major UK retailers used to talk about shared learnings. If you had an issue, you completed a form, it got shared across your competition, but we all became stronger from that. And I think you fast forward that to 2025, and that's become more formalized in the way of horizon scanning that says, how do we all collectively protect the consumer by learning about what else has happened in the industry and using that to make our system stronger? Yeah, fabulous.
Absolutely.
Neil, that's great. As always, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.